Hello. In these episodes, we are going to have introduction of different libraries. Here, as you can see, there are most common blocks with different applications. As we go in details, the blocks are going to more specialized. For example, here we have aerospace block set and communication systems or other systems in Simulink. Those applications that I told you in the first chapter are available here. For example, fuzzy logic, control system toolbox, or neural network systems. For example, here we have Simscape, mechanical systems and power systems. And again, there are different libraries in Simulink.